Imagine a bird so extraordinary that it can fly for years without touching the ground. A bird that crosses oceans, circles the planet, and returns only when it's ready to find love. This is the albatross, one of the most incredible travelers on Earth. Albatrosses are the largest flying seabirds in the world. With wings so long they barely need to flap. They ride the wind like surfers ride waves, gliding effortlessly over the ocean. Some albatrosses can stay in the air for months, and young albatrosses can spend their first 6 years of life flying over the open sea, never landing once. 6 years. Just the sky, the water, and the wind beneath their wings. But it gets even more unbelievable. An albatross can travel 10,000 miles in a single journey. That's like flying from Africa to America, and then flying all the way back again. And one legendary albatross was recorded, circling the entire globe in just 46 days. 46 days to travel around Earth. No airplane. No engine. Just nature. But where do they go after all these years in the sky? When they're finally ready to mate, they return to the exact place they were born. Some fly thousands of miles, just to stand on solid ground again, and begin the most important chapter of their life. Finding a partner. After years of wandering oceans, they step onto land with a purpose. They begin a dance. A ritual of bows, whistles, and wing stretches, to attract their lifelong partner. Their journey in the sky leads to a love story on the ground. So next time you look at the ocean, remember that somewhere above those waves, an albatross may be gliding. Unstoppable, untiring. Traveling across the world with grace no plane can match. A bird that can go years without landing, yet always returns home when it matters.